So I've got this old car, a hot rod, a serious piece of iron, a dual exhaust mumbler, a tire smoking, gear shifting, full bore screaming hunk of Detroit vintage technology, beating my heart like a mainline shot of adrenaline every time I step on the gas.
Isn't that nice music? Alright, I'm gonna take this door off, but before I take it off I gotta take down some measurements and drill a hole in the hinge so I can line it back up. Alright. Alright, now it's time to assess the damage. Let me get my sawhorses in here, which are buried in snow, and then I'll see what kind of rust we got going on. Alright. Wow, that's pretty bad. Wow, that's shot. But I can do it. I've done worse repairs on the cab, so I can do this. And I'm not buying any panels. I'm gonna make them all myself. So let's get to work. Alright, I marked out where I need to cut, and I'm gonna do a couple separate patches here because it'll make it easier. But let's get cutting. Alrighty, got the outer skin cut off. I'll have to find my buffer. This should buff right out. Yes, sir.